If you're looking for active adult living in a golf course community, oh yeah, also happens to have the last lake to be developed in the greater Charlotte area, I've got it for you here at Edgewater. We just opened up 2 new active adult sections this week. What you see behind me is the 10th green of Edgewater Golf Course. The fairway is down that way, and I am standing in our brand new Cottage Greens neighborhood. It's actually right next to the cottages. So the cottages has been our low maintenance section for so long, where your amenities, your garbage pickup and your lawn maintenance are included in your monthly HOA. So what we mean by active adult now, all ranch floor plans. So in our Cottage Green section, which is pretty much everything that you can see directly behind me, we've got, I've got to check the actual number of home sites. I think it's going to be around 80 or so home sites. But I've got four brand new home sites that are overlooking the 10th hole, where you can build a Mont Crest, you can build a Vale, you can build the Langley, which is a really popular large ranch floor plan that you can put on one of these 4 lots as well. And oh, by the way, I've got some beautiful interior lots that are right across the street that are in this same section that are going to have $0 lot premiums. Right over there where my vehicle is, in that area, I've got 4 lots right over there. Again, this is the Cottage Greens section. Our other active adult section, which is going to be ranch homes only, is Eagles Landing. I'll take you over there in just a second. But first, I've got another surprise for you. Hey, my name is Jimmy Grappone, and if you haven't watched my channel, Moving to the Carolinas with Jimmy G, I am a true home sales consultant here at the Edgewater community. It's a master plan community with Fishing Creek Lake, which is the furthest south lake and the last lake to be developed in the Charlotte area as part of the Catawba River chain. We have an 18-hole championship golf course, amazing golf practice facilities, amazing pickleball facility, amazing Brickwood Restaurant, lots of other amenities to come, multiple pools, multiple neighborhoods, starting out in the 300s to you could be up over $1 million for a beautiful waterfront lot in a 4,000 square foot home. So it kind of runs the gamut. But that surprise I was going to tell you about is Cottage Towns. So this is going to be our first townhome section or townhome neighborhood in Edgewater. And directly behind me, let me walk forward a little bit. We might be able to see the rooftop. The practice area. So there's a short game practice area with some greens and some sand traps over here. The golf driving range is just on the other side of that. And then Brickwood Restaurant is right on the other side of that. And the cool thing is there's a path, a sidewalk right over here that if you live in the Cottage Greens section, which I just showed you, or if you buy a townhome here, you can just walk up this path and get right to the restaurant. But this is going to be primary down townhomes from the mid 300,000s. So this is essentially replacing the cottages section that I talked about that has your lawn maintenance and your trash pickup included. This is going to be an HOA. This is going to be a townhome HOA, easy living, maintenance included with your house. And these are coming online in June of 2026. Now what that means is if you're interested in a townhome, we are putting together an interest list right now for townhomes in Edgewater that we'll start selling in June. So if you are interested, you need to contact me directly. My contact information is in here. Anything regarding Edgewater, contact me directly, and I can get you the answers on that, and I can help make Edgewater your future home. So first we saw the brand new Cottage Greens section. What we were calling Cottage Greens before, we're now calling the Greens. We're offering 1 and 2 story homes there. But in Cottage Greens, active adult, it's ranch floor plans only. Cottage Towns, it's gonna be about 40 townhomes in here. 350, or I'm sorry, not 350 exactly, but I would say mid 300s anticipated price point in here. And now I'm going to show you the other active adult section, so just hang tight. All right, I'm back in the car now. You see I'm like bundled up. I'm recording this May 2nd. Typical Carolina weather. It was in the 90s about a week ago. I think the high today is going to be about 60 degrees. Rainy day, but we really need this rain. So I'm exiting right now. I'm exiting Cottage Towns, which is where we're going to have these beautiful primary down townhomes. Coronado, I believe, is the name of the floor plan. I'm going to ride back past those lots that we just saw a moment ago. So this is our Cottage Greens ranch only active adult, age targeted but not age restricted section. So you don't have to be 55 plus to get into this awesome section. It's more about you want the ranch home, primary down lifestyle. That's what we're providing here. The lots on the right hand side, lots 1 through 4, are overlooking the 10th hole, the 10th fairway right there. And I can tell you right now, lot premiums on these homes range from $50,000 to $80,000, and you can build our biggest ranch floor plans that we offer here in this section right here. And then on the left hand side are where I have 4 free premium lots, which means you can pick the home of your choice, and there's going to be no add-on for the actual home site, which is amazing. That really does not happen very often, so we are super excited about that. So I am driving now to our other active adult section. So Cottage Greens is on the left. What you're seeing straight in front of me now, though, is our greens section. In the greens, we have homes starting in the 300,000s. So in fact, starting at 300,000 for our most affordable floor plan, which is the Canterbury Ranch floor plan. Base prices in there range from about 300,000 to 380. The fishing pond on the right-hand side. Since we're finally getting some rain, it's starting to fill up a bit, which is nice to see. I'm riding right now through our cottages section en route to our other active adult section, which I'm coming up on right now. Starting out, we have 13 lots. We've sold the first 3. So I've got 10 lots remaining in our, you can see the sign on the right, Eagles Landing. So Eagles Landing has some amazing home sites, which you'll see here on the right-hand side. I'm just gonna pull up a little bit. I'm gonna get out and walk on these home sites and show you what we have to offer here. All right, so I'm back out of the car, and now I am in our Eagles Landing section. And I keep saying section, I should say neighborhood, because Edgewater, like I said earlier, it's a master plan community, and really the way you need to think about Edgewater is as a village or a small town. In fact, where our golf course is located, where the restaurant and the pickleball, we call that the village center, because Edgewater truly is a village made up of multiple neighborhoods, multiple subdivisions. Like the homes you see behind me over here are all part of the cottages, but I'm standing in Eagles Landing right now, where I've got 10 lots that back up to, some of them back up to these beautiful Carolina pine trees right here, and the other ones back up to this absolutely beautiful fishing pond. This is a 2-acre fishing pond, I believe, fully stocked. We keep it fully stocked, so it's catch and release. You can come out here, but can you imagine having your house right here and then your backyard is this fishing pond? You can just walk out there and stand there with your fishing pole, or you could sit out on your back porch and have a view of the water. This is going to be all ranches in this section right here in this neighborhood, in our Eagles Landing neighborhood. So the opportunity is here now. So if you're interested in active adult living with only other ranch floor plans in your community, you need to contact me now, because opportunities are limited for Eagles Landing. Like I said, we have 13 lots. We've sold 3 of them already. I'm recording this May 2nd, 2026. And then in the Cottage Green section, which I showed you first, we've got 2 lots where we'll be able to offer that Langley floor plan, which is one of the largest ranch style floor plans, maybe the largest ranch style floor plan that we have in our entire portfolio. We've got beautiful lots beautiful home sites that are overlooking the 10th hole. They sit up in the air, and then the 10th hole is down, so you're gonna have stunning views from your back porch, from your back patio. And we also have interior lots that have a $0 premium on there. And then Eagles Landing, it's a very minimum lot premium in here as well. So contact me directly, 704-313-8514, if you're interested in learning more about the Edgewater community. It's located about 15 minutes from downtown Lancaster, South Carolina. Has lots of amenities already in it. And the very cool thing about Edgewater is it's a growing community. It's about 1,200 homes. We have about 1,200 households already, and we're only 25% through. But the way we're putting it together, it's very smartly planned. So there's different neighborhoods around. Nothing feels overcrowded out here. In fact, this is a peaceful, tranquil setting here at Edgewater, and the growth is coming to the area as well. As we get more rooftops, that's bringing in more retail, more infrastructure. It's also bringing in some of the national builders who are going to be here in the next 2 to 3 years on either side of us, at our front door and our back door. And one thing about these national builders, they don't set the market, they don't create the market. They go to where the market has already been established. True Homes goes where maybe the market hasn't quite been established there, but we're going to create that market. If you watch my video about Fishing Creek Lake being the reason that Edgewater exists, or if you haven't watched it, you need to check it out. Without Fishing Creek Lake, which is the last river in the Charlotte region along the Catawba River chain, Edgewater would not exist. We wouldn't have Edgewater Golf Club, and we wouldn't have the Edgewater community of homes that we're building right now. All the amenities, Brickwood Restaurant, everything that's already here now, and all the amazing things that are going to be coming in the future, including future retail space, including a wedding and events venue, including a 9-hole short golf course that you can get out there and just have some fun on, even if you're not an experienced player. So much stuff here. This is our flagship community for the entire company, and I would argue it's the flagship master plan community in the Carolinas. And we're located halfway between uptown Charlotte and downtown Columbia, South Carolina. So you could work in the Columbia area, you could work in the Charlotte area, and the commute is going to be manageable either way. So whether you're in Columbia, whether you're in Charlotte, or whether you're in California, New York, New Jersey, Colorado, Michigan, anywhere around the country, even internationally, if you're looking to relocate into the Southeast, into the Carolinas, South Carolina is one of the fastest growing states in the country as well. This is an amazing opportunity. We're still early enough in that you can get in now at better pricing than you'll have when we're finishing up 8 to 10 years from now. So again, contact me at 704-313-8514. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.